Hey guys, so me and Emily, well, and her daddy, we're heading to a wedding. ¿Verdad, mamá? Yeah, we're gonna go to a wedding. I'm wearing this dress right here, and Emily's wearing a little dress. Ay, qué chula con su flor. But yeah, it's one of my good friends that's getting married. I can't wait to see her getting married. I did her makeup and her hair this morning. And yeah, I can't wait to see them get married. I don't think I'm gonna vlog the actual wedding because I want to just like enjoy the day with my family. But I just wanted to say hello just really quick because I haven't vlogged in like a couple of days. But this is my makeup. I feel like I forgot to do my own makeup, like how to do it. I feel like I've been doing everybody's makeup and then just I forget how to do mine. Okay. Okay. I struggled with my eyeliner so much. But anyway, I'll let y'all go because we are heading out. But yeah. Adiós, Emily. Adiós. Ooh, she's so good. She's hungry.
A ver, esta noche, acompañada por su señor padre, don José Lata Verde, a hacer lo que es la entrada principal, a realizarse la ceremonia. Al novio Jonathan Maldonado.
¿Quién entrega a la novia? Mientras nuestros mejores días y nuestros peores días.
De enfermedad
Y de buena salud.
para quererte
Hasta que la muerte nos separe. También Ana, diga después de mí. Yo, Ana, te tomo a ti, Jonathan, como mi esposo, para tenerte de hoy en adelante en la riqueza y la pobreza, mientras nuestros mejores días y nuestros peores días. En tiempo de enfermedad y de buena salud. Para quererte hasta que la muerte nos separe.
feliz del mundo en este momento. Estoy muy nervioso. Sí, estoy muy nervioso, pero quiero que sepas que te quiero mucho, te amo. Agradezco todo lo que has hecho por mí. Agradezco todo lo que has hecho por mi familia. Tú has estado en los momentos más difíciles donde de verdad te necesito. Eres mi amiga, eres mi amante y te amo. Y ahora eres mi esposa.
Jonathan y Ana han consentido a unirse en matrimonio antes de nosotros como testigos y han intercambiado sus promesas de fidelidad uno al otro y han sellado este matrimonio con los anillos de autoridad que tengo por la Constitución del Estado de Texas y de los Estados Unidos. Los pronuncio marido y mujer.
16th. It's literally 1 month before Emily's first birthday party. And I don't have anything planned yet. Well, I already have gonna be her favorite TV show right now, which is Work Party on Netflix. I don't know if any of you have seen it, but she is obsessed with the characters. And yeah, like that's the only TV show that like really catches her eye. And since she loves it so much, I just decided we're gonna do her birthday party that theme. So yeah, right now I've been catching up with all my online stuff, like my page, my business page, and my YouTube. I just uploaded the last vlog, which is so late, but I had been having issues like installing my Wi-Fi in the new address, but it's finally done, and I'm so happy because I felt like I just couldn't function without that. But yeah, so go check out that vlog. This is obviously gonna be in the new blog, but I'm so happy that I've been continuously vlogging. Yay for us. Oh, what estás haciendo? Girl. No. Literally every time she's quiet, she has something in her mouth. Like, what in the heck? Anyway, but yeah, that's what's been going on. Also, I started working out again, guys. Oh my gosh. And I've been on a semi-diet, I would say. Like, I still eat some foods that I love, but like moderately. And I try not to eat really late. And I started going to the gym, since they do include a gym here in our apartments. And I've just been feeling really motivated. So I need to get on it because my sister's birthday is coming up. And when it, so her birthday is June 2nd, but I'm trying to see what weekend we're gonna do it, because I don't even think she's so her birthday actually falls on that Saturday, so it's gonna be like legit her birthday. That is so crazy. But yeah, so I need to look like so bomb that day. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear. I need to look for outfits. I don't even know where to go look. I don't want to order online because last time I ordered online, it was a disaster. So that's a no-go for me. No. They heck no. But yeah, I need to get on that. Anyway, so right now I'm just gonna make Emily a peanut butter jelly sandwich because she did have her morning bottle already, but I like to give her something extra in the morning for breakfast. And I'm gonna get myself ready to do a workout here in the house because Eric went to work and I cannot go to the gym when he is at work, and I just feel like working out really bad. So I'm just gonna do a workout here. And yeah, I think that's it for right now. I might go to the gym later just because I really want to go to the gym too, but I don't want to overdo myself because I do not want to get hurt, because then that messes up everything. Yeah, I still have yet to film the tour of my apartment. I don't know when I'm gonna do that because every time the apartment looks neat, there's not enough lighting. And then when there's lighting, I have a freaking mess like right now, which I need to clean too. So I might just clean. I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna clean, and then when Eric gets here, because he's gonna get here probably within the next hour or two, I'll go to the gym. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I need to clean this house. Like, I can't. Oh my gosh. Why do you keep putting stuff in your mouth? No se ponga cosas en la boca. But yeah, anyway, I will check in with y'all later, see what I'm up to. But yeah. Okay guys, so I finally cleaned my apartment where it looks decent. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tour on how it all looks like. I hope y'all love it as much as I do because I literally love this place. Anyway, let me show y'all. Okay, so here we have the entry. So this is what you see when you come in. And there's little Emily. She's watching Word Party. So when you come in, well, first we have the bedroom to the left. This is my bedroom right here. I love my bed set that we picked. We still have to get some lamps there on each side, and I want like something on the top. I don't know, maybe a mirror or some picture frames or something. And I got a curtain, just a gray curtain to go along with the bed set. Over there, it's like a walk-in closet, but I have yet to get to that, so it's a freaking mess. But yeah, so then here is the living room. I love my living room. The couches are the old ones that I had in my old apartment. We are looking into getting new ones, maybe like some grayish ones that will go with the whole theme. But for right now, we're gonna keep those. And yeah, I freaking love how the living room looks. Also got a coffee table, which is this one right here. It's made out of like real rock. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna freaking turn down the TV. And then Eric bought me this little tree. He's so cute. I just watered it, but it's growing so pretty. And then we got some teal blue. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can back up. Yeah, we got some teal blue curtains there, and we got the teal blue curtains there. There we go. You can see them better that way. And then you see the little cushions that I bought. Those right there. I thought that would look really nice with that. And then here on this wall, I put our recent pictures that we took for Christmas. And one, Emily turned 3 months, so we took her in to take some pictures. And then this one when I was still pregnant. And I just bought that little sign. Love makes our house a home. And then right here I have a couple more pictures. I got Emily's walker, of course. We did get a new dining set. I wanted something more shorter that would, you know, look a little bit smaller with the smaller area. And these are the placemats that I showed y'all I bought. I really like them. The only thing is that the heat does go through the little holes. So I don't know, I'm thinking about getting different ones because I don't want it to ruin my table, you know. And then over here, hello, I put just a mirror and then that right there, make it look pretty. And then here is my kitchen. Just basic. There's the stove, fridge. I put all of Emily's bottles here. Okay, yeah. And then we go over here and I have a sliding door that does open up to a small patio where you can see it's Panda's new chilling spot. Of course, it's locked. Hi, Panda. Hi. He loves it out here. I'm so happy that he actually has his own space now. Oh, let him out to pee. Oh, never mind. There's a dog out there. But yeah, and then we have another closet out here. And yeah, we have all this space. We want to buy an outside table to put out here. And a barbecue pit, etc. But yeah. Okay, and then we go over here and we have a half bedroom. So this right here would be my area. I still have a lot to work on right here. I'm gonna get, hopefully for Christmas, I want a new vanity, a new chair, because that one's just a mess. And then it has some shelves over here, which I want to decorate and make more pretty. But yeah, this is basically where I set up my clients and stuff for right now. And then the other half is Emily's playroom slash, you know, changing table area. I still have a lot to organize, but this is what we have here right now. I have her first ultrasound. Oh, my little baby. I have all her little bows and stuff hanging there. And then over here we have one of the sinks. This one is for the main bathroom. Over here to the right, we have a walk-in closet for Emily's clothes. Some sheets up there, her little shoes, some clothes she has outgrown, and all of the little things that she's outgrown as well. And we walk over to the left, and here is our shower right here. Here is our toilet, if y'all wanted to know that. And then over here, this door leads to the walk-in closet, which I told y'all it's a mess. And it has another sink right here, but I'm not even gonna turn on the light because I'm so embarrassed of all this mess. Like, it's crazy in there. But yeah, I think that's it.